Hey everybody, my name is John Capobianco and this is a quick teaser of my next set of videos that build on our configuration management. So here's the device and you'll notice interface 2 is down, right? And let's say that my solution that I'm deploying should be up. Can I add some assurance? Can I do some tests before I even deploy to this device? Um, that right, and there's an interface down, don't deploy because it's not a healthy environment. So let's run our pyATS job. And what we're going to do is learn the state of the network device before we make any changes to it. And if all of the interfaces are not up, we'll look at pre-change interface check. And the pre-change interface check here shows that interface 2 is shut down. Sorry, all of the interfaces were not up. We're canceling the deployment. Well, that's great. So let's no shut it, right? Conf t int gi2 no shut. Show IP interface brief. They're all up. So now what else can we do? Well, we can do several things as we test. That's a pre-change test. So now we're going to test the pre-change state, make the change, and then run a few tests to validate the state of our change, which in this case is bringing up loopback interface 100. So let's go to the, everything has passed, it made it to the end. Do we have a loopback 100? Well, yes, we do. And what tests has it passed? It passed a post-change interface test, and it also the post-change default route test, as well as a ping test. So it's pretty incredible stuff. What we do here is our testing. So here it's been deployed. You can see plus loopback 100 description IP address. And then we start our ping tests. Well, I actually ping the default gateway, 10.10.22.54, and then I ping the IP address that's to be expected to be up, 10.10.100.100 of the loopback I just deployed. Then I check the interface, and look, now we have 4 interfaces, not 3, the new loopback, and it's up. We also check that the pre-change and post-change default route matches and that we haven't changed any default routes as part of our deployment. So I've done a full video on this, and it's going to be out overnight. But I'm really starting to build on the early success of config management declaratively with config replace and pyATS to now using pyATS what it's intended for. The T in pyATS is tests. So let's start to test and add assurance and add fidelity to our configuration management deployments. Again, this is just a teaser. The full video is coming. Thank you.